Oh shit! Oh fuck my alarm! Damn! Oh shit! I'm late for my night song. Oh shit! Oh shit! I gotta go brush my teeth. Nah, fuck that! I gotta get to work, man. If I don't go now, they're gonna fire me, and I need this job. I need my money. Oh shit! The sun is rising, man. I gotta get my ass to work, bro. Oh shit! I gotta get to work. Oh shit! Oh yeah, boss. Yo, I'm sorry I'm late. Are you fucking kidding me? Late, nigga, you late? Nah, nigga, you fired, bitch. You fired. Get the fuck out of my face and get the fuck out of here. And I don't want to see your dumbass face again. Damn, you always want to fucking come late. Damn, you're supposed to do this damn song. But no, you want to come late every fucking time. So get the fuck out of here, bitch. Look, man, I'm so sorry, man. I just came late because I woke up late. My alarm, something, I don't know, man. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. There ain't no excuse to me, sorry. Get the fuck out of my face, you know, bitch nigga. Get the fuck out of here, bitch nigga. Fuck, beat your ass up. Beat your ass up, bitch. Get the fuck out. Okay, bro. Alright, bro. Fine, I'm leaving. Alright, I'm leaving. Alright. Oh shit. It's you? Yeah. It's you, Blade X? Yeah, I am. I would like to buy some of that, you know. Oh yeah, you came to the right place. Alright. There you go. Yeah, this is the right stuff. Alright. Here's some money. Alright, I'm out. Alright, let's see how much money you get. Are you fucking kidding me? You only gave me $5 fucking dollars. That shit cost like 20. He gave me fucking 5. I got kill this nigga, yo. Cause this shit ain't working, yo. I got kill this nigga. Give me your money, bitch. Give me your money, little kid. No, I'm sorry. Please, stop. Don't kill me. Shut the fuck up, little bitch. Give me your money. Give me all your money, bitch. Give me all your money. No. Your fucking money, little bitch. No, please. Get the fuck out of here, little bitch. Hey, I should see you hurt that kid, bro. No, shut the fuck up. Back up, nigga. Back up. Back the fuck up, bitch. Back up, nigga. I'm not playing you. Get up. You sorry now, bitch? Get the fuck out of here. Bitch, nigga. Now give me back my $5 too, bitch. She saved my life. Thank you so much. You're welcome, kid. You're welcome. Thank you. Now I'm gonna call the police on you, bitch. Wait, what you say, no, bitch? Come here. Oh, fuck. It's 12. Police. He tried to kill me. He tried to kill me. He just killed a man. Go get him, please. You gonna go get him right now. Let me go. Shut the fuck up, bitch. Hey, get him now. Oh shit, yo. Get him. Shit. They shot me in the fucking leg. Oh shit. I think I'm safe now, yo. He's over there. I don't know where he went. He probably went this way. Let's go. Alright, good. He went the wrong way. Alright. Since you wanna do that to me, bitch, I'm gonna teach your ass a lesson. So shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up, bitch. Alright, they're gone. Alright. No, please, let me go. No, you snitched on me, bro. I gotta kill your ass now. No. Bitch. Bitch. I gotta get rid of this weapon. Alright, got rid of the weapon. Gotta get rid of the body. Damn, bro. Damn. Fuck. Sorry. Put it right there. Alright, now. Since I got rid of the body. And I got away from the police, but they won't get me, bro. I didn't want to do this, bro. So because I became a hustler, yo. I started selling some drugs. Then nigga came at me out of nowhere and took my money. He fucking whipped me off, so I got mad. And look what happened to me by getting mad. I should've never got this song, but I should've never fucking came late. I should've never done it. Damn, yo. I have to live out here in the woods with my $5, so damn. Need some more money, yo. Damn. My new house. Right. Damn, yo. Now I've been in this fucking cell, yo. Damn. I have to be living here my whole life. I'm so hungry. I need some food. Please, bro. I need some food. Haven't ate in weeks. I'm so hungry. I haven't ate in a month. I need some food, man. I need some food. I'm so thirsty. McDonald's cup. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, we got you now. Oh, fuck. The post. Damn it. We got you now. Shit. Damn it, bro. I'm going to prison for life, yo. Damn, yo, let me out. Let me out. Shit. Stuck in here, bro. Damn. I came here to let you out. Now I'm gonna let you out. My cat built me out. Oh, I'm out this bitch. Now you free. Go, go, shit, the police, bro. Go, go, before they kill you in my mother. Join the spider gang. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. Oh, spider gang. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. You wanna be the leader. That's my mother. Wear the outfit. I told you to wear. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. I found a little house. I'm getting this house. A house, let me in. Oh, shit. Oh, man. It's so dark in here. It's abandoned. It's so abandoned. It seems to like work. Oh, shit. It worked. Alright, I found this room. Alright. Alright, no one can come in now. I'm in an abandoned place, bro. That's my only way of getting away from the police, bro. I can't believe that cat bailed me out, then he died. I didn't even get a chance to know his name. But he told me to join this spider gang and to become the leader of it. He told me to put on some clothes he told me to put on. He didn't tell me to put on nothing. Wait, what's in my pocket? I was asleep when he said... The hell is this mask? He told me to put this on. I guess he magically put it in my pocket, yo. Oh, shit! This came out of nowhere. What the fuck? And it says Spider Gang. He told me to make the group and join the Spider Gang. Oh, shit. But... And I found a Supreme hat. I have to try it on. Ooh. What the fuck? When I put on the clothes, I feel weird. What's in my hand? A gun? Oh, shit. And it says, this gun, warning, this gun contains venom from spiders. So the bullets are venom. Oh, shit. And I got these ropes. What are these for? Oh, shit, that's a tag. Let me read it. Oh, shit, it says whoever owns this has the power to tie someone up and kill them instantly. So when this wraps around somebody, they die really fast. What the hell, bro? No, I can't believe I have this power, bro. Just because I joined the Spider Gang. This is crazy, man. And I wonder who's in the group. Us, nigga. We're in the Spider Gang. I'm in the Spider Gang, and you're now our leader. Yes, you are now the leader, and I am the king of the Spider Gang. And I here put you as leader of the gang, and I'm the king of it, but you're the leader of the whole gang. Yeah, bro, you are leader now. Yeah, man, you're now our leader, and we can teach you how to fight. Teach me how to fight, man? Yes, we will teach you how to fight. Now go train on that. Okay. Alright. Yeah, keep training. Yeah, keep going, man. Keep going. Oh, shit. Yeah, you are now our leader. We taught you how to fight. Blade X is in this bitch.
I will get my revenge for them locking me up. I will get my revenge because I went back in time to kill his ass.
Wait, what you say, bro? You say you gonna kill me? Hey, stop it now! I'ma have to be forced to kill you. Huh? Kill me? Is you high? Get that shit out of my face. The only thing that's gonna be killing is you. I ain't gonna pay for it now.
Don't do shit.
Y'all can't stop me! Y'all can't stop me! And now, I'm gonna kill the king! Shit, I can't see! Gotta see that one! Bitch! Bitch! Oh, fuck! I can't see shit! Gotta stop you now, bro. I'm sorry. All them times you hung out in the past. All them times. I have to put this up to you now. Cause at first I thought you was a good person. Now you turned on us and became evil. So I have to hit you with this old trick. Alright, he's done. Now, I have to put him back to this portal that would take him to the prison. Curse you, I will get my revenge! Well, is everybody okay? Is everybody okay? Yeah, I'm okay. I'm alright. I'm okay. Alright. Yeah, I'm okay, man. I'm okay. The only problem is, our friend died, man. And my best friend in the whole universe turned evil. You're my bestest friend, Mo. And then he turned evil now. Out of nowhere. Oh shit, yo, I got myself fucking captured. Damn, yo. Got myself captured, yo. I need some fucking help, yo. Can someone please help me, man?
Nobody gonna help you now. You stealed my kids, and then you wanna do all this shit. Now I'ma kill your ass. Ah,
I'ma shoot your ass up, bitch. I'ma shoot your ass up. Get the fuck out of here. I'ma shoot your ass up, bitch. Yo, stay the fuck away from here, bitch. Yo, help me, yo. Please, yo. Whoever you are, please, yo, help me. Pull the damn trigger. Bitch, get the fuck out of here. And I took your gun, bitch. Boom, bang. Who the fuck else is next? Oh, you? Hey, get the fuck up. Yo, thank you for saving me, bro. You know what, bro? You're a pretty cool dude, man. You wanna be friends? Yeah, man. Let's be friends. And ever since then, we've been by our side, fighting with each other, and saving the whole world. Bitch, give me my money, bitch. Yo, let me take care of him too, bro. Why do I always get myself beat up? Shut the fuck up, faggot. Money, bitch! Oh, I'm sorry. Throw me up. Why do I always get my ass beat? Damn, boy. The fencing ball. Damn, bro, we finished him off. Yeah, bro. Yeah, man. Why he turn evil? He turned evil because he wanted the power that we have. And he didn't have it. He didn't have the power that we have. And he wanted the power we had. He was trying to take it, but planning that he was our friend. But in reality, he was a big-ass fucking enemy and a fucking ugly wolf freak, what the fuck ever he is. I don't even fucking know what the fuck that nigga is, damn. But I don't even fucking know, man. But we had to banish him to another dimension. Yeah, yo. Only problem is, our best friend died. And he disappeared. His body is gone. The only thing left is this mask that we will all remember him. Rest in peace, man. Rest in peace to the Tiger King. To Iron Tiger Man. R.I.P. man. To the Tiger King. You will always be remembered. Always be remembered. Yeah. You will always be remembered. He was our bestest friend. And yeah, I can't even do it. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. He will always be remembered in our hearts.